Bags of tens of kilos, stacked 1,000 times a day. Hard to hire for, hard to keep, and injury-prone. How do you hand this job to a machine? 3 chronic pains of heavy palletizing. It's repetitive heavy lifting, chronic back strain, and young workers won't take it. Stacks must be neat. Late in a shift, hands tire and rush, and a crooked stack topples. And when the line speeds up, manual stacking can't keep pace and becomes the bottleneck. This cell hands the job to a heavy palletizing robot. It grabs bags off the conveyor, places them to a preset stacking pattern, builds neat layers at a steady beat, tireless no matter the weight. It spans a wide payload range, from tins to over 100 kilos, heavy bags, cases, bricks, auto parts. At up to 700 bags per hour, one robot holds the palletizing outlet of a whole line. The end tool is matched to the material, vacuum pads, clamp plates, or grippers. Stacking patterns change by parameters on screen. Mixed stacks, interlocked layers, slip sheets, with no mechanical rework. The math is direct. One robot replaces 3 to 4 handlers, palletizes around the clock, and the tidy stacks ease forklift and warehouse handling, taking people out of back injury heavy labor. Changeover is painless. A new bag size is a stacking program change, with quick change tooling for different cases. Multi-product lines fit just as well. From heavy bags to cases, a heavy payload robot turns palletizing into a neat, continuous, labor-saving standard process. This is EVST. We make line automation real.